we guide you through how to change your PayPal email address. So the first thing you need to do is to open your PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and sign into your account. Once logged in, click the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen under the account section. Find and select email. Next, click the plus icon or add new email address option. Enter the new email address you want to use and click Add Email. PayPal will send a confirmation email to that address. So, open your inbox and click the confirmation link to verify it. After verification, return to your PayPal account, go back to the email section, locate the newly added email address, and click Make Primary to set as your main PayPal email. If you no longer need the old email address, you can select it and click Remove. Make sure at least one of email address remains on your account at all times.